coming up.
Can I video you? YouTube, do you mind? Can I just video talking to you? Is that alright?
Sure. I came up on Saturday.
Yeah.
With my mum and some friends, and then I came up last night.
You know, they broke
with
windows.
my friend Naomi.
Okay. So is it just the two of you, like in a tent?
Yeah, just us today, and we've got other people coming up. So it's really nice to see the numbers growing,
Oh, fantastic! Yeah.
being here.
I'm loving the fact that you're preparing all this lunch. How many are you cooking for here?
It's a rough guess, but everyone I guess is camping and involved. I think
Really?
it's food for everyone. Everyone's contributing. People have been
Yeah.
coming and dropping off big bags of food. And
Yeah, I brought some pasta and some loo rolls today.
Loo
so-
rolls, good, yeah.
But I was going to bring a Christmas pudding, but then I thought.
Right. Yeah.
So what is this actually? The vegetables you're cutting up here? I'm not very good at cooking, so.
Cress, we're making potato and cress soup.
So this is. So what are you chopping there?
Cress.
Literally, is it all cress?
Yeah.
Really?
Cress food.
Oh, watercress, not like egg cress. Yeah.
Okay.
Wonderful. So you got some more friends joining you soon, have you?
One from Bristol,
Okay.
and then one from Lewis is going to come down.
Fantastic. Where are you guys from?
Brighton.
Oh, I'm Brighton as well. Yeah. I'm loving this whole cooking the food. It's wonderful. Yeah, community spirit is wonderful.
Do you think you can bring
It's really good.
Where's this going?
Fine, thank you.
Who's bringing in the watercress? How are you getting the food
Local
supplies?
people
Yeah,
are
like farm
supplying.
donations. I
Really?
think. Yeah.
It's wonderful, isn't it? Okay, well thank you guys. Happy cooking.
Thank you.
Watercress came from Heathrow.
It came from where?
Heathrow.
Oh, okay, lovely. Wonderful.
I could send a message again.
Okay, enjoy your lunch. I'll come
I get to try some.
Oh yes, I might get to try some later. That would be lovely. Wonderful.
Yeah.